Hi guys, hello all, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Happy monsoon to you all. Our today's topic is what will happen when next time you see your person. What will happen the next time you see your person. Uh, it's raining over here, very heavy rain outside. So yeah, we have two options in front of us. Option number one is this small little cup. I love you cup. Okay. Option number two is this I love you couple. If you can see. Yeah. I love you. Okay. So option number one, option number two. We will start with this option. What will happen next time when you will meet your person? The world, the chariot, page of cups, ace of wands. Oh my god. I'll just keep this aside. Okay. Queen of wands, strength, king of pentacles, queen of cups, and hope is the conduct for miracles. Okay, so for some of you this person is your twin flame. This see, this is the general reading, so obviously everyone is not on twin flame journey, but for small percentage you are on twin flame journey, and this person is your twin flame. First of all, second thing which I can see, this one cycle has been ended with your twin flame, with your person. Or if this person is not your twin flame, then breakup or separation has happened in this relationship because of some money status issue or some other issue. Maybe your person is married for some of you. Okay, your person, oh my god, I hope you can see, guys. Let's just give me a second. So yeah, okay, so you can see now. So your person has chose someone else over you, or they are married, or they got engaged, or they have someone else in their life, because I can see this is you. You are twin flame, and you know that you are on twin flame journey, and this is someone else energy with whom your person is currently he is with. I can see strongly Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign, Cancer sign, Scorpio, Pisces sign. Strongly which I can see is Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, Taurus, and Aquarius. Okay, but it can be Virgo, Capricorn as well. So yeah, what will happen next time when you see your person? First meeting will be very casual, like hi, hello, how are you, that I am feeling. Okay, and after that, you people obviously you'll meet for before you'll contact each other on phone, you'll talk to each other, you'll decide a place, and you'll have some serious conversation. Okay, after that, and you'll think of starting something new with each other. Whatever happening between you two, or third parties interference, someone is involved, so you'll have discussion that you want new beginning with them, or they want new beginning with you. Those sort of discussions you will have. And after that, what I feel is that you'll meet them, and you'll see first time you'll see each other after a long time. So at first you'll talk like very casual, hi, hello, how are you, how's everyone, how's it going, how's life, and all that stuff. But after some time, after few minutes, you'll talk to each other, that your person will tell that this is the person they are currently with, and they want now new beginning with you. uh, Let me tell you, you guys are going to meet again, first of all. And also, uh, you'll have a serious conversation, heart to heart conversation as well, and they see you as like their counterpart, their soulmate, twin flame. I don't know if they understand the twin flame word term or not, but definitely they think that you are their counterpart, or you are their soulmate, you are their person. You are very intuitive, those sort of vibe. You have a lot of emotions, you are sensible. And at first they might, when they come to meet you, they might give you some flowers or chocolates or some sort of you know sh- uh, some sort of small gift or gesture they will do, uh, that I am feeling. Secondly, they might have got idea that you are the one for them. Now they want to be with you, and they see you as a strong and intuitive lady. Now they want to spend, they want to be with you. Okay, they want to start a new beginning with you, and they want to take a leap of faith with you. Those things will happen, and they will discuss these things. And this is the person with whom you have some sort of ending, or at least a karmic cycle has been completed once with this person. That is what I am feeling. Yeah, definitely. And a new beginning will happen, and after some of your meetings and talks and calls, I can see you'll get close physically. There will be a physical relationship, passionate sexual relationship will happen with each other. New beginning will happen. You might travel also for some of you, whether this person is leaving out of country. I mean, this person lives in some other country, you live in some other country. So you guys will meet. Some sort of transformation will occur. You guys will meet. If you are living in different country, or they live in another country, then you guys will meet. They'll come to meet you, they will travel towards you. Whether they are living out of country or out of town or out of state, they will travel towards you, and they will come to meet you. I can see a long travel. I am seeing long travel. Also, if they are living in different city, they can come on their bike and travel those hours to meet you. Those sort of vibes also I am getting. But definitely they will travel towards you, and they'll meet you. Especially they will come to meet you. Especially they will come to meet you. That is also what I am feeling. It will not be a sudden meeting. Especially they will come to meet you, and they will only tell you to meet them once, at least they will contact you first, call you, and they will tell you they want to meet you. Those sort of vibe I am getting. Okay. And they also will tell you that they want to travel, they want to take you somewhere, they want to travel with you. But what will happen when first time you see each other, it will be like, some sort of casual and nervousness vibe I am getting. That, at first you will talk, hi, how are you, how's everything, I am fine, how are you doing, all that stuff. Formal talk you will have. But after few minutes, maybe few minutes, they will come to the point that this is the thing. They like you, they love you, they know you are the soulmate, and they want to spend their life with you, they want to travel with you, and they have missed you, and you are their twin flame soulmate. They have realized that you are the one. Some sort of those vibes I'm getting. And they, if they are married, they will say that, they want to be with you, and those sort of vibe. And they want to do something for you. Some sort of those vibes I am getting. uh, Let me pull out some messages for you. Love message. This was a very tough journey, I can feel. For some of you, this was a very tough journey, tough ride. And one more card, please. One card only, please. Okay. So for some of you, I can feel that this journey and this ride was very difficult. And for some of you, if they'll travel from like from out of the country, or sorry, they will travel from out of the city or town on their bike, or they will ride a bike and come towards you, then it will be a tough ride and tough journey for them. And also this twin flame journey is very tough for you and for them as well. But most of you, if you are in this energy, intuitive energy, then it is very difficult for you. So message from them is that I do not want to lose our friendship. We share a strong bond, and I know that can we start again and be friends first. At least listen what I have to say. So for some of you, if you are angry with this person, then they will call you and they are saying like, just listen to what I have to say. At first you might not be agreeing to be in a relationship with them, for some of you, okay. Then they will say that let's start with friendship, okay. We share a strong bond. I know that you are my good friend, you are my best friend. For some of you, you were friends first, okay, and they know that you have a strong bond, you guys have a strong bond. So they will start, can we start again, at least as a friend. But this is just an illusion to be around you, okay. So they will say that, okay. Another message: does not matter who is in my life when you are in my heart. Yes, I know I am hurt, and that is why I have hurt you. Please forgive me. I will always love you no matter what. You will be in my heart. So this person is married, I am telling you, or they have chose someone else over you. Maybe their financial condition was not good, or because of money or something else they have chose you, and this is your twin flame, by the way. So that is why these differences are there. So they are saying, and they will also contact you and say these things, and while you meet, then also they will say these things, that does not matter who is in my life when you are in my heart. And they will accept that they are with another person, um, and they are hurt, and that's why they have hurted you. They will explain that also, because they have got hurt because why they have hurted you and they cheated you or something like that. So that is why they have hurt themselves, because you are twins, or you are on twin flame soulmate, okay. So they will ask for the forgiveness, please forgive me, and they will say that uh, no matter what, I will always love you and you will always be in my heart. Doesn't matter if somebody else is in my life. So that is the message, and they will discuss these things also with you. But I am telling you, after discussing all these serious talks, at first few minutes you will talk casually, but after few minutes, they will discuss these things. They have someone else and this has happened and sorry and you are in my heart. They will talk serious shit with you, okay. And after that you guys will have heart to heart conversation, and you will think about new beginning, what will be now what we can do, what will we do, what's the next step to be with each other, let's start something new, let's start this relationship, and all those stuff you will discuss after that, okay. I want to give you more stable life. See, they want to give you more stable life. I know in past I did not give you a commitment, but now I want a stable balanced relationship with you. See, in past they have chose someone else over you, or they were not committed to you, or they didn't give you commitment, or they have chose money over you or career over you or something like that, so they didn't give you commitment. So now they are saying I want to give you more stable life. So they will, after casual discussion and um, um, telling all this stuff that they have someone else, they will after that discuss some serious stuff. I want to give you more stable life. They want to give you commitment, basically. In past they didn't give you commitment, and they will apologize for it, and they will say that I have realized you are the one, you are my soulmate, and I want to give you now stable balanced relationship, so I want to be with you. So those sort of things you will guys discuss with each other. That is what I am feeling. Let's see the charms also. Charms and some messages, okay. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So definitely after meeting after your meeting, you will meet them after a long time, and if you were going through some money loss while you meet them, or at the time you meet them, you faced some money loss, or they have faced some money loss, it will all be covered, okay. It will you'll be beneficial. Like it's like they are lucky for you and you are lucky for them. Whenever you guys together, whenever you guys talk to each other, whenever you guys are both in each other's life, or you talk to each other, you meet each other, your financial problems get resolved. or that is what I am feeling. Also see, lot of love vibe I am getting, love charm. Over here also we have received initial L. Over here also we have received red rose, red flower. So a lot of passionate beginning will happen. After that meeting you will start meeting every day, you know, regularly, and then you'll have some passionate meetings also, and you will be deciding that, you know, you want to be together only and not far away from each other. See, I love you, this person is saying I love you again and again. My god, I guess I can feel you are not in communication since long time, or you haven't seen your person since long time, maybe long distance or out of country they live. And I'm telling you, with this 2 number partnership, you will guys decide to be each other's partner. That is what I'm feeling. Doesn't matter if they have someone else in their life or not, they will be with you only. I can feel that, I can sense that. And I'm telling you, while they come to meet you, they will give like when they come to meet you, they will give you some flowers also, red roses or some sort of other flowers, but they will definitely bring something small, flowers or something small gesture they will do. It's all about the journey. See, this is the twin flame journey, I am telling you. This is the twin flame journey. Okay, and they see you as very, they want for some of you, I am feeling they want to marry you, and they want to have a baby with you, and they want a daughter, like just like you, same like you. They want daughter with you, they want to have a babies with you, specifically and specially they want to have a daughter with you, and the daughter should be just like you. So this is the dream of theirs. Okay, and I can see angels are protecting this connection. Okay, angels are definitely protecting this connection. So doesn't matter third party or anyone, any another person is with them. Though I don't see, for some of you I don't see, this is your energy only, Queen of Cups, but for small percentage it can be someone else. But I can see if any third party or third person's interference, then you know, angels will protect your connection. That is what I am feeling. I love you message is coming again and again. So you will both say I love you to each other a lot, many times. Like since you have not been talking to each other, or you know, meeting each other or seeing each other, then after meeting you guys will be like, you know, saying I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you continuously to each other. So those sort of vibes I am getting. I can sense it. Next time when you meet them, they will say I love you many times to you. That is what I am feeling. See, amethyst stone we have received. So definitely someone over here is very intuitive person, and your person is also very intuitive, because twin flames are mostly intuitive person. Okay, T and L are the initials. Okay, for you guys. And this person is definitely missing you right now. Current energy is that they miss you. Okay, and they have a hope that you will meet again, definitely. And we have received the hope card as well. Hope is the conduct for miracles, and they, I guess, have started believing in miracles because of you, or because of this twin flame journey. They have got some idea. You are very intuitive person, that is what I am feeling, or your person is very intuitive. Somebody was over here in past was very intuitive, and someone, your person was mostly practical, logical, money minded, 3D world based. But now, after some experiences after the separation, they have realized, angels have made them realized, and they will come to meet you. And they know right now also they miss you. Their current energy is also like they have hope in this situation, and they know that miracle will happen, and you guys will together once again in this lifetime. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. I hope you liked it. Please remember, this was a general reading. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and let me suggest some topics. If you want me to do on some topics, I will do it for you. Comment down below and let me know. And you can check out other topics also, which I have posted on. And for private reading, check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Now let's move to the pile 2. Okay, I'll just keep all these things aside. Let me just pull out some, you can fast forward it, okay? It's raining outside. Let's see. Okay, option number 2, those who have chose this couple I love you message. Okay, I hope you can see the couple inside. Isn't it cute? Okay, I'm into all this. I'm deeply into all this stuff. I don't know whether you care or not, but I am deeply into all this stuff. Message for you: when I'm connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. That is the main message. Nothingness, traveling, Knight of Cups, Three of Wands, Three of Cups. Oh my god, 3 Page of Wands, King of Wands, Six of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords reverse. So you might have watched pile 1. I can feel some of you have chose pile 1, or if you are attracted to pile 1, you can go and watch pile 1. Okay, so what I feel is, let me just adjust my camera. So pile 2, what will happen next time you see them? Give me a second. I hope you can see all the cards. I just want to adjust my camera. Okay, hope you can see this as well. So this is the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Almost every sign is there, but most dominant is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You might have watched pile 1 as well. I can feel the connected energy as well in this, because in pile 1 we have received Queen of Wands, in pile 2 we have received the King of Wands. So this can be also a twin flame journey. Maybe your masculine is not aware about a twin flame. They just only know about the term about soulmate. They just understand the soulmate term. Okay, so they might have chose this pile, or you have chose that pile, and your person have chose this pile, or vice versa. Okay, so basically this is also, you had some sort of ending with this person in past. They have hurted you a lot, but now you are healing. Okay, they want to, basically they had a lot of argument, bad ending with you. They have used some sharp words towards you. They have said crap things to you. Now they want to heal this situation. They want to talk to you. They just want to bring peace and harmony with you in this relationship, and they want to offer you love. They want to give their cup of love to you. That is what I am feeling, and they might be planning on doing that. How to approach you, how to come back, when to come, what I have to say, how to approach, all that stuff they are thinking about. Because in past they have hurted you. They have said some crap things, sharp tongue, sharp words, those sort of things which they never intend to say, but they have said lot many crap things, guys, and they have broke your heart. This relationship was ended. I can sense that. They have decided on something. That is what I am seeing. Okay, lot of threes are over here. So 3 number, 8 number might be touching you. 8 number, 3 number. It can be your person's birth date, or your birth date, or any life path number also. Currently I am seeing your person is focusing on the pentacle, because they want to offer you something. They want to give you something. They want to give you a stable offer, or for some of you they can give you some money also. They want to give you something. They are working hard so that they can come to you, and they can approach you, and they can give you something. Those sort of vibe I am getting. In past they have decided something, and they have walked away from you. They have broke your heart, or they have said some things in their ego, or in their immaturity, or in their I would say insecurity. They have said some crap things. Okay, and they used to always give priority to their friends over your relationship. That is what I am feeling. They always used to listen to their friends rather than you. Always used to trust their friends rather than you. Those sort of vibes I am getting. Hmm. So, will you meet them or see them next time? Yes, definitely. With this Knight of Cups, they will come to you, and they will only. I can feel for some of you, they will come to meet you, and they will pick you up from your home, or they will pick you up from somewhere, and they will only call you, and they will only say that I will come to pick you up at this place or at your place, and they will come to meet you. You guys will meet, and they want to offer you their cup of love, and they will express themselves. Definitely they will offer their cup of love. I can sense that. And for some of you, after that, you guys will go somewhere to travel somewhere, and if not, then your person will travel towards you. If they are living in out of country or out of city or out of town, of if they are living far away, then they will travel towards you, and they'll pick you up from your place, and they will take you somewhere. Specifically, they want to take you on some sort of long drive, or on long vacation. Those sort of vibe I am getting. Okay. Hmm. uh, so for some of you, those who's watching, your age can be 20 to 24, or around about 24 25, or your person's age can be 20 24 25 around. Okay. And for some of you, your person's age is more than 25 27. Okay, that is what I am feeling. So your person has definitely behaved immaturely in past, because they used to listen to others, they used to listen to their friends, they used to give priority to third party, they used to say sharp words to you, and they broke your heart, they have ended things with you. Those sort of vibe I am getting. Please remember, this can be you also, which you can be my viewer can be the person who has broke this person's heart. Okay. uh, Vice versa, take vice versa. Okay. And this is a genderless and timeless reading. Okay. So this person currently, I can feel you are in no contact with them, and when they'll see you, when they'll meet you next time, when you see your person, at first they will be completely blank, because maybe they will see how beautiful you look, or how changed you are, or your personality has changed, you have grown up, something like that. So they will be blank, their face will be blank. Or first also they will feel nervous, and they will be like, what to say, how to say. Those sort of vibe I am getting. They will be quite nervous, or they will go blank completely. Words will not come out of their mouth. This person's throat chakra was also blocked in past, and it can be right now as well. And when they meet you, that time also they will maybe for some of you, they'll not be able to express properly themselves to you, because they will go like, in awe while they see you. When they see you next time, when they see you, they'll be completely blank. Their mind will be like, oh, poof, what has happened. So those sort of vibe I am getting. This pile is also resonating with pile 1, so you can watch pile 1 if you are attracted to. And yeah. So yeah, this person has argued a lot in past. That is what I am feeling. They never used to express themselves, rather they used to fight and show their love with their anger. But angels have helped them. Angels have helped them and you both to heal this breakup, to mend the bridges. Those sort of vibe I'm getting. So for some of you, they will travel from long distance and come to meet you and pick you up, and they will be completely blank. For first few minutes, there will be a complete silence between you two. For first few minutes, or first few I would say first few minutes, there will be completely silence. For example, they are coming at your place, and you go with them in a car, and you just smile at each other, and you sit in the car, and then you'll go to some place. uh, for you'll go to some place, and then in between that time you will come, there will be a complete silence between you and your person. That is what I am feeling, because your person will be in awe while they see you. Maybe you will wear some sort of you have changed your hair color, maybe you are more confident, or you have you'll be wearing some sort of different dress, and they will be completely blank, and they words will not come out of their mouth. And before leaving their home to meet you, come to meet you, or before leaving their place to come to your place, they will be they have decided that I will say this, I will say that. When they ask me this, I will answer this. When they ask me why you didn't call me, I will answer that. And they have decided everything. But when they'll come to meet you, when they see you, they will be completely blank. No answer will come from their mouth. They will be like, yeah, okay, wow, good, fine. All that stuff. First few minutes I can sense that. So yeah, but slowly after that they will try to offer you their love, and they will say that they love you. Let's pull out some charms for that. More clarity we will get. Okay, let's see. Initials for we have R, E, double R. Wow. G. Okay, so 10 number we have received. Definitely this relationship has been ended. One cycle has completed. Okay, with this 10 number, your relationship has been ended once. This was a breakup. 1986 year can be important. It can be your person's year. Okay, or year can be important. Not necessarily it will resonate with each and everyone. Okay, signs. Another signs we have Leo. Like I've said, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Generous, they see you as very generous person, or they will be very generous next time when they see you. Libra. Okay, a charming personality, so they see you like you are very charming, you are very balanced, or also they will be like, next time when you see that, you look beautiful, you look good, you look charming, you have confidence, all those all those stuff. And I can feel when next time when you see them, they will be more generous towards you, like in behaving, in gestures, those sort of vibe I'm getting. Libra, Leo sign also I'm seeing, like I've said previously. So yeah, this person will communicate to you, this person will come forward to you, and they will fix a meeting with you, like not a meeting, but they will tell you to meet, and they will pick you up, and they will take you somewhere near some sort of water body, whether there is a restaurant near some sort of beach or lake, or there is a water body when you used to meet, something like that. And you'll go to the same place, or they will take you some new place wherein there is a river, or there is a lake, or a resort, or a beach, or some sort of water body will be there. And they will also take a picture with you when next time when they meet you. I can see this in this pile. This is a date of like you will go on a date with them once again. They will call you first, and they will talk to you. They will say, I want to meet you, can we go for a coffee, and so I'll pick you up. So those sort of things will happen. And when they are coming at your home, and they you'll come out of your home and you'll go in a car with them, there will be a complete silence between you two for first few minutes, because they will be in awe. They will go blank while they see you because they think you are beautiful, charming, or you have confidence, you have changed your hairstyle or clothes or something like that. And also but when you reach the place, then they will slowly start talking to you. Also, I can feel this person is a bit scared of you. Maybe you have a strong personality, you have a lot of confidence. This Leo energy also I'm getting over here. Does not necessarily you are a Leo, but you are strong like a Leo, confident personality, you have confidence in you. Those sort of vibe I'm getting. So they'll take you some sort of restaurant, cafe, or you'll go on a date, and the new cafe, new restaurant, they will take you some new place, or they will take you to the place where you used to meet. and it will be a water body like river or beach or some sort of water resort of those sort of vibe I am getting. And you guys will take pictures also. They will only ask you to take pictures. Maybe if this is your ex and you used to go to places, then you always used to take pictures of them. But now, this time they will tell you that can I take a picture with you, can we take a picture, those sort of vibe I am getting. And I can see in next meeting this thing will happen definitely. Yeah, this thing will happen. They will ask you to kiss them or something like that, or those sort of vibe I am getting. When they'll meet you, they will be might be in a some sort of financial worries, or some sort of financial loss they have faced, or some sort of expenses they have had, and they will discuss everything with you, that they are working hard, and they have decided now to commit to you, now to give you priority, now give priority to you, not to their friends, or not to behave this immaturely. Maybe indirectly they'll tell, not directly, but some of you they can tell directly all these things, but for some of you they will tell indirectly that now you are the priority. They want to give you priority. They don't want to, they have behaved stupidly or immaturely in past, they have used crap things, and they have given priority to third party or to their friends or to money and all that stuff. But now they want to work hard for you, and they are going through some money trouble or money worries or some sort of expenses they've had, but they want to work hard, and they are working hard for you. There's those sort of things they will discuss with you next time when you see them. This is a date kind of thing I can see abundance charm. So 1988 also year I am feeling, dragon year you might be, or else you might have born under dragon, Chinese dragon year. Okay, 1988 a year and 1986 year strongly I am feeling, but it can be a dragon year. uh, so yeah, abundance, luck, love, money, everything they want to share with you, and you guys will have with each other, and you guys will be like two bodies one soul, those sort of vibe I am getting. Yes, after this meeting, when and message for you guys, when I'm connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. So you will feel very relaxed, chill, and satisfied, and calm, and composed, and you are smiling, laughter, those sort of vibe I am getting, light energy I am getting. So just be positive, try to manifest this person if you want back your person, and attract, you will attract support from the universe. Okay, and you will be guys together like two souls one body. Okay, and you will after some moments going, or after reaching that place, you will be normal to you will be back to normal. Okay, like you used to be. So those sort of vibe I'm getting, you will be back to normal. Okay, that thing I am feeling. So yeah, and maybe you, for some of you I can sense you might meet in a rainy season, or rainy season, monsoon season, or it was raining, it will be raining when you meet them, while you meet them, or it will be a rainy season, monsoon season when you meet them. So for some of you, when you can meet them, then I can see August, because 8 number strongly highlighting, so August, and or third on 3rd August or something like that. And for some of you, July also I am seeing, so July, August, and after 3 months or 3 weeks or 3 days, that is also I am feeling for some of you. So depends on where you live, but most of you, if I have to give time, then after 3 days or 3 weeks or 3 months. And for some of you, July month and August month I am seeing. Okay, yeah. So this sort of vibe I'm getting, so this will be a monsoon season when you meet them, or it will be raining. Even if it was not monsoon season, I can sense that it will be raining. Okay, so this is what I feel for you, pile 2. I hope you liked it. Let me pull out some message for you, one message, what they will say, 1 or 2 message for you. Oh, one card wants to pop out. I can say that this card wants to come. It is calling me that take me. So I'll take it. Okay, one more card. Message, handwritten message for you. Okay. So I know I have been a jerk, but can you give me a chance to correct my mistake and to prove it to you that I will not be a fool again, an asshole again? Please, can you say and call me whatever, but please take me back. Oh, okay. Please excuse my handwriting. So like I've said, this person behaved like a jerk or stupidly, like I've said, this person is thinking they are jerk because they have behaved immaturely. They have given priority to their friends. They have given priority to everything else, money, third party, over you, and they use sharp tongue, sharp words to you. So now they are saying, I know I have been a jerk, but can you give me a chance to correct my mistake? So they will give you ask for the chance when they'll call you. First they will call you, and then they will ask for you to meet, and you will go on a date or cafe or something, go for a coffee or something. So it will be like a date only. Okay, they will treat you like you are coming for a date, and they will get ready properly for you, and they will be like, make you feel special. So they want to correct their mistake, and they know they have behaved like a jerk, and they have did wrong to you, behaved immaturity, given priority to third party, their friends, their money, some anything else. And now they want to prove it to you that, I don't want to be fool again, and I don't want to be asshole again. So please, can you say, can you so please, you can say and call me whatever, but please take me back. So this person is saying, you can call. This person is saying, please say whatever you want to say. You can curse me, you can call me asshole, you can call me jerk, but please take me back. This person will be saying to you, whether directly or indirectly, but most of you I can say sense directly. Okay, so you can call them anything you wish to. So this is the message for you. Next time when you see them, this can happen. Okay, but first they will contact you. I don't think this will be a sudden meeting. In pile 1 also, I was like that was not a sudden meeting. They will first call you, because they are this person is a little bit scared of you. Okay, so they will contact you first, they will call you or message you, and after that they will fix the meeting. Okay, and they will say on phone that, please meet me once. You can call me jerk, you can call me fool, you can call me asshole, whatever, but just meet me once. And after meeting, whatever you want to say, I'll listen to it, but just meet me once. And they will do this trick to meet you. Okay, and otherwise you will not meet, because you are angry on them. They are also scared of your anger. So this is what I'm feeling. So on call, they will first ask for the meeting, and they will do whatever you wish to do. They will do whatever you wish them to. Okay, that is what I am feeling. And they will say, I will do anything, but just meet me, and just you can say whatever you wish to. You can just call me whatever you want to, but like just meet me once, all that stuff. So can you give me some more time? Please wait for me. I do not want you to move on from me, as I cannot see you with somebody else. I know I was indecisive, but now I am not. So in past, they have taken decision and chose someone else over you. This can be third person, third party, their friends, their family, their money, their career, and they have broken up with you. This is the breakup ending, definitely, with this 10 of swords reverse. In past, they have decided something, and they left you, and they chose something else over you. So they have took a decision, firm decision. But now they are saying, or they will call you, and current energy that, can you give me some more time? Please wait for me. I do not want you to move on from me, because now they feel like you have someone else in your life, or you are looking for someone else. And they feel like you energetically that, you are moving on, or whether through your social media or something like that, they feel like you are moving on from them, and they don't want to see you with anybody else. So that is why now they have realized. Okay, and they are saying that I was indecisive, but now I am not. So they will say this to you on phone also, when they contact you to meet. Last line they will say for sure that, I was indecisive, but now I am not. So yeah, indecisive about you, whether to take you back in the whether to give you give you priority or not, whether to they were used to take you grantedly, they didn't realize your worth value. That is also what I am feeling from this. And they were indecisive regarding whether to choose you or not. Those sort of vibe. Maybe this person has treated you like an option, or you have thought that you have felt like you are an option, because they have decided on something else. For example, they will listen to their friends and they will break up with you. For example, they will go towards their career out of country and choose money over you. That is what they have decided, but that is why they were indecisive about you, on you. Okay. Or for some of you, this can be third party, third person also. But I can see there are chances you will meet them, you will talk to them, there will be growth, progress over here. There are chances you can come back together, but depends on whether you want them back or not. But I can see sense that at first you will get angry, you will argue, maybe you will fight, but after some time you will be with them and you will go on a date with them, you will agree to meet them and you will go on a date with them, and after that everything will be sorted out and you guys will you guys will kiss each other at the end. Those sort of vibe I'm getting. So yeah, this is what I feel for you, pile 2. I love you guys. Hope to see you in my next video. For private reading, check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. And please suggest me some topics you want me to do pick a card on in comment down below. Please like, share, subscribe, and you can check out other topics also which I have posted previously on my video on my channel. So yeah, thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye. See you.